bringing TVMA healthy, wicked scenes of language, violence, and also mature audience also as well. Use special device. Also, please turn down on any devices where you want to have good things and have bad things.
Before we kick things off, there is an extra warning. The following pilot episode will contain some blood scenes and graphic. You have been warned. And this will also be 21 plus, okay? But before we actually do start, stay tuned right after this reaction for a special interview to talk about the makers of the Night of Gamaliel. And now, onto the show. On today's episode, JXJ, we are continuing our Glitch Direct Day with a special encore presentation. Today, we are traveling into the first ever dimensions. We have traveled lots of dimensions with 3D animations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to hit in 2D's first animation. Why? Because on today's episode, our pilot reaction continues with our very first 2D animations, The Night of GUINEVERE. The creator, one of the best shows of all time, The Owl House, which we're going to be discussing this more. So, ladies and gentlemen, hold on your hats. Things are going to get a little bit more trickier. And by the way, how long this episode is going to be, basically? Ooh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's about time. Things are going to get more magic, and things are going to get more, well, interesting. I have been hearing about the shows. We'll see what this is about. But first, let's get this bibbidi bobbidi boo started and cue the intro, shall we? So, the Knights of Gamaliel. I heard about this. So, is it basically like a ripoff from Walt Disney World, basically? It's kind of like that. Well, okay. Before we actually do discuss this, I want to discuss something very important to the channel. I'm not going to disagree by the Disney teams, and I did Disney understand, no, they're going to be very beyond pissed from the Glitch Productions teams. But to be honest, Disney's been falling apart and Glitch Productions been going huge success. So what do you expect? They're doing great so far. So I hate to say this and I don't want to do this, but I think this is the only way that they might do this for something choices. So yeah. So I hate to say this, but Disney, you have been falling apart. So, Glitch Productions might be the only network that's closer to Disney, basically. I have been hearing about this, what's been happening here, and let me explain what's happening here. So, we know what happened here. The creator of the Owl House got fired from the Disney teams, and the fans were furious at Disney because of some shitness what's been happening, plus we understand what's going on here. And they've been disgraced of animations, so that's been too much annoying. I get 2D animations was one thing, but this is the beyond first time. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the very first time that this is the show that was going to be on there, but then took the tone. So the big question is, will other shows from the past shows from part of the Disney teams will be part of the Glitch Productions teams? Who knows? We'll see the Disney hoes. Besides, I love Disney. It's my favorite. Heck, I collect Disney stuff. But to be honest, Disney, you've been falling apart. And live action movie remakes, it suck as crap. I do not like it that they ruin effing remakes. And now they're making Tangle. And yes, I heard about the news that one of the bad choices that Disney decided to bring, another actor who plays from Black Widow is appearing in Stepmom in Tango movie. Disney, what are you doing? Are you not learning the lesson from the last movie? Are you trying to screw the... Disney, you're going to be falling apart if you ever thought this is a funny idea. Disney, I'm so sorry to say, you have fallen apart from movies. Parks has been one thing I understand, but everything's been movies and shows falling apart. I am sorry, Disney, you've been falling apart. What happened to you? You were the best, 2000s, but now you just fall apart. Anyways, let's see this show it's about. This better be worth it. And let's see why the creator talks smack about Disney. And let's see what happens. Anyways, guys, if you guys want to see more content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bells, and let me know thoughts in the comments. Do you agree that Disney's been falling apart and they should get back on the track? If not, then agree, comments down below. What is your favorite live action movies, and what is your least favorite, like disgrace of hate, basically. Anyways, let's react to it. Let's see this goes. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so let's see what this is about.
Once upon a time, and this was a very long time ago indeed, there was a princess.
That voice. That sounds like the Owl House.
Trapped in a tall, tall tower, and locked away by complicated machines that ran on blood and fear.
Wait.
She spent her days playing games, pretending she wasn't scared, but she was in dire need of rescue.
By who?
Are you hurt? Don't worry. I can make you better.
What?
Olivia, dear, won't you come with me?
What is this?
Go on, take a look.
It was beautiful. A world of possibility, where fantasies became reality, where tall tales became indisputable truths.
It looks like Disney World.
It's all for you, Olivia. Everyone who comes and goes will eventually be under your watchful care. Happy birthday, sweetheart. I hope this can make up for... I don't think I need to say it. Olivia, your future can be as bright and beautiful as all this. Embrace it. Let your past fade away. You're here now. Do you understand?
Yes. Thank you for the present, Papa. Come, princess. It's our new kingdom. Isn't it pretty? Yes, it's so very...
What? Are you okay? What the heck?
Shit! Security!
It's okay, Papa. They'll bring her back. And when they do, I'll fix her again. Yes, it was so very long ago. And no one ever heeded the princess's prayers for rescue. Will she ever escape? Will she ever find her knights?
I have so many questions.
little ones. I'm Princess Guinevere. What are your names? Francesca and Andrea from M7. What lovely names. Are you lost? Thank you.
Many years later. Wait.
Come on, I just need change for the vending machine. I'll tip you 10p.
Read the sign.
What? Crowny? Me?
Don't do that.
Oh, I went to school with you. You know me.
Thought I did, till you started wearing that uniform. Crowning.
I'm not even administration. I'm an engineer. Junior engineer. Bottom of the lab.
Which one did she need again?
Have mercy.
Who chose your side?
Chose a job. Ass. I got rent. We are all victims of the park, but everyone's so busy picking apart each other, they don't see the corporate hand at the wheel.
Alright,
A cog
it's
like me
time
has
to...
power. No. I got more to say. Your attention's divided, man. Meanwhile, every new planet is getting terraformed, and soon
Yeah,
there'll be no
it's time
place
to go.
untouched but the light of commerce and amusement-tainment. We got no choice. I got no choice.
Screw Reggie. What does he know? You're a park engineer, D. Most people would kill to have that job. Besides,
Frankie, when did you buy these? Emphasis on buy. Oh yeah, boombox. Should have known. Well, let's get out of here before Reggie finds out you're
Leave! Damn it, Frankie! Your ass is gonna pay next time in Mahjong!
hey, little guy. Need a tune-up? There you go. You two? Looks like your who's a what's-its are out of calibration again. Easy fix. Shit. What's going on there? Some more bullshit from work?
AG has me doing a week's worth of tests in one night. Wanna kill myself.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Why would anyone splice the facial controls into the environmental pipeline? It's not a very sophisticated solution.
Hello?
Oh, nice. What fixed it?
Oh, a hunch.
Man, that's so cool. I got so much to learn from you. Then maybe I can get a job in the labs too, and we can work together. I just like thinking about that sometimes.
Yeah. Oh, shit, it's morning already? Shit.
That's right, Andy. Have a good day. Go kick some ass. Show him who's boss. Fuck you. I better get to work too. Hey, boss man! There's something caught in the net!
Frankie!
What?
Stop gawking at the park!
Sparky, what? You can't even see me right now.
I don't need to see you to know you stopped working. Your precious park ain't gonna have crap to melt into different crap if we ain't hauling up scrap. So get back to it. And I saw that too. Yeah, usual spot. Tonight. Get sifting, Frank. Eyes out for the good plastic. The keychain factories are getting desperate for materials.
Aye, aye, Cap.
Yep, same price. No, there's no damn repeat customer discount. Fuck's sake.
God!
Holy shit. Is that?
A Guinevere android. I don't recognize the model.
Oh, who gives a shit what model? This is gold!
What? You're just gonna sell it?
What you expect me to do? Share a cigar with it? Oh, shit.
What's wrong?
Can it?
I was just thinking, Spark, I could fix her. Get her working again. 'Cause if I do, maybe I can get an engineering job like Andy's in the labs, and I could... Careful!
No fixin'. No labs. I don't want you involved in that dreamland crap. Those lab rats are always up to their necks in sick shit. Trust me, they're some of my best clients. Don't worry, you'll get your cut when we scrap her for parts.
We've found traces of your princess. She made it to the surface this time.
The surface? No. My poor dear Guinevere. She must be so confused and lost. Bring her back, won't you? Oh, bring her back. Bring her back. Bring her back. Bring her back. Please, I have to fix her again. I'll do better this time.
Shall I call security?
No, they won't be able to handle this. I need him.
Polishing the wrong septic, Crowny.
Hey, asshole! I'm just trying to get by like anyone else. Just because I got a job in the tower doesn't mean you can treat me like... doesn't mean you... Sorry. Hope you feel better. But also, fuck you!
Whoa!
Oh, why hello. Didn't notice you there. Come closer. Meet some very good friends of mine. This is Guinevere. And Guinevere. And yes, this is Guinevere as well. The beloved monarch of Park Planet. If you can believe it, there are as many Gwens as there are stars in the sky. And every one of them draws on the same magic to remember everything. So wherever your journey
sounds like
leads
this is
the
a
park,
rip-off of
every
Disney,
princess you meet will recall the same cherished memories of you.
Our Park Planet engineers work tirelessly to create the ultimate experience for our guests.
She doesn't really look like any of these models.
Doesn't matter what model she is. You need to go back for her.
Yeah, the princess is the princess. All monarchs are usurpers and descendants of usurpers.
God, what? No. Sparky's my boss. I can't just steal from him.
Yeah.
Francesca, bite the hand that feeds. Think of it this way. Is it stealing or is it rescuing?
Oh, what do we have here?
Hey, you eat yet? I'm thinking sad girl dumplings and bathtub brew from Sunny's Pub, 'cause, yeah, today sucked.
Wait, how did he...
She seemed sad when we locked her in there. Couldn't move or speak.
Who's locked up?
But are my tools good enough?
Frankie?
And Sparky's just gonna chop her up? Ugh, what an ass!
Frankie, is Sparky chopping someone up?
Andy? Andy! Perfect! Amazing, Andy!
Frank, you have to tell me if Sparky's doing something illegal. You have to tell me if he's hurt someone. In the last 8 hours?
Andy, I'm just messing with you. But you got security clearance, right? You gotta get me into the labs. I need a repair halo for this.
Well, for what? Tell me what the hell is going on.
Better yet, I'll show you.
Okay.
Holy shit. A Guinevere android?
Right?
I've never really seen one like this. It looks really unusual and old.
And I can fix her brand new.
Better bring it to security. Maybe there's a reward out for it.
Why not bring it to security after I fix it and see if I can't wow anyone? Know what I mean?
Are you saying you're willing to risk jail time to be a corporate crownie like me?
Yeah.
Remember when we snuck in the park to play that crane game? We didn't get the doll, but we met a real Gwen. That memory is still so vivid. And now you make stuff that gives other people memories like that. I just think that's cool as shit, D. Right, Guinevere?
That's right.
What the... How is he... This is gonna be worse.
Come on, Andy. You can do it. I believe in you. Damn, dude. You really gotta get away from your desk.
Well, ain't this a fucking howdy
shit.
do, Andrea? Franklin, you taking my prize hog for a night stroll?
Sparky, this looks bad, but...
I'll deal with you in a second. What is this, Franklin? Mutiny? Am I not doing right by you?
You were just going to sell her, man! To one of your nasty clients. This is a real chance for me.
To do what? Shine some shithead shoes in a fancy tower till you choke on the fumes? Know what some nasty client affords us? A second ship. Fast one. For you. Maybe even a third. That's a whole goddamn fleet with you as a captain. We both know the money ain't in scraps. It's in exotics.
Lack of gratitude. Give it a sniff, Frank. Might chill out your rowdy ass.
I love you for that hard-headed spirit, kiddo. I do, but I can't show you special treatment. Especially because you're you.
God, you're always so dramatic in front of the boys. Whoa! Stop! You're gonna damage her!
Stop biting me! Fight back proper! You stole my boat. You stole my android. And now you're throwing a tantrum like a child. You know what happens when you break the rules.
What?
Don't you dare.
Oh, I see.
This is a stupid move, Andrea.
You're calling me stupid? You're about to sell an actual Guinevere android for scraps. You have no idea what you have.
Yeah! And you hit like an old man, old man. Oh, wait.
No. That was good. Let's make a deal. You let us fix it. Working model. I bet you could sell it for 10 ships, huh?
I get why Franklin's doing this, but you, what's in this for you?
Because I want money. Because I got fired. That's the truth.
Fine. Fix her up. Make her shine. Then bring her back to me. Deal? Well, business calls. Franklin, Andrea, I'll be in touch.
You know, I thought that went really well.
Yeah. Oh, if you're wondering about hearing the sound background, sorry about this. Revenant's trying to take care of something. Anyways.
Welcome to the lower labs, where abandoned projects are left to rot. That elevator should take us where we need to go. Last chance to turn around.
Look what I got! Want a race?
Why does it look like there's a lot of security?
Did you really get fired?
I really got fired.
They're idiots. Hey, maybe they'll take you back after
Please don't cheer me up. But even so, even after all this crazy shit, I have a good feeling about this plan. I think this will really improve things. What now?
What? What's wrong? Oh shit, that's not good. What is...
Thing was
big? Yeah. Security?
No, I would have known about something like that. I think. But the Quindroid.
Screamed. Yeah.
But they're not programmed to
scream. No. Do you think she was trying to warn us?
Goodly ladies, arrest thy steps. Thine hearts I wouldst make mine.
It's after Gwen!
Frankie, behind you!
Ones, are you lost? Is that your parent or guardian? I see. Well, you've been such a good friend to me. Allow me to sort this out for you.
Frankie! Frankie! Come on! We have to get to the elevator!
No, she helped us! We have to help her!
How?
Hello, Francesca. Hello, Andrea. It's nice to see you two again.
Okay, yeah. Alright, well, that was some interesting video. Well, no wonder why Disney got ripped off. Anyways, guys, that's it for the Knights of GUINEVERE. Okay, first up, I will say I'll give credit to the animations. They are the same animation from this one. And I knew what that hint means, that this show is not going to be just a PG-friendly entertainment, this one. Yeah, let's just say this is going to be a mature audience for adults. What do you expect? But I never expected that Glitch Productions can go all the way to TVMA mode. So, I guess for the first time ever, the Knights of GUINEVERE is going to be rated TVMA. Unless the language comes cut down. But, yeah. That's new. Anyways, guys, that's it for a brand new video. I'm going to take a little bit break because I need to get all the videos been posted. So, you'll be seeing that. But we will be returning for one last pilot episode. And I might post it for a little nighttime. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And just give me... Before the disclaimer, I'm not like... disgrace of Disney, but to be honest, I will say this: Disney's been falling apart, maybe probably for the best. Okay, well, I need to get something to eat because it is currently almost afternoon. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in for the last pilot episode tonight, and then right after this, folks, we won't be recording any more reaction videos for quite a while. But I want to give you guys a heads up: reaction videos will return soon, but I need to get everything out of the way. So please be patient for that. Anyways, that's it for right now. Thanks for watching. And yeah, that's always. This is JXJ signing off. Yeah. We'll see you guys for the next brand new video. And yeah. Bye. But still, questionable wondering. Yeah, basically no wonder why the Owl House got ripped off. Makes sense. Alright, well, it does make sense. I'll give credit to that. Alright, bye, folks.
So, Knights of GUINEVERE.
What about it?
What's it about?
Watch the trailer.
Good answer.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome to an interview with Dana Terrace about Knights of GUINEVERE. Hello, Dana.
Hi.
What is it about? Tell us a bit about it.
It's about a lot of people who are just trying to make their lives better and getting caught up in a giant conspiracy trying to do so.
And it's in space.
It's in space and a theme park. It's filled with robots and gore, and I feel like I'm doing it a disservice right now.
From what I've seen, it's like Evangelion meets ducks. Behind me.
That's exactly right. Like I come up with any story, I was pissed off one day and this became a cathartic release. I brought the idea to my co-creators, Zach Marcus and John Bailey Owen, and we came up with the rest of it.
What were you pissed about?
Oh man. A lot.
That's fair. Yep, we are turning the wrong way. This is gonna be most of the video. It's not turning. What can you tell us about Park Planet?
It's a giant theme park floating in the sky. It's got rides and attractions you can't even imagine. The park is not as thrilling as this ride, I'll tell you that. It's all centered around the mythos and the canonical story of Princess Guinevere. And her story is very loosely based on Arthurian storytelling, but sorry, I'm getting so distracted.
Yeehaw!
I worked for big mainstream studios for about 10 years, and now I don't, and I'm enjoying myself quite a lot.
Actually, that's a good question. Is making this show different to your other shows?
Oh, hell yeah. I'm having fun.
How'd you find us? Rather, how did I find you?
You DM'd me on Twitter.
That's how I find everyone. I basically reached out to her on Twitter, and I was like, hey, we like making cool shit. You make cool shit. You want to make cool shit?
Yeah, you basically pitched it as, do you want to do whatever you want? And I was like, yes.
Knights of Guinevere, which we also call COG, is quite different from anything you've made in the past. Is there a reason for that? Has it always been a show you've been wanting to make, that kind of show?
It's not like a show that I've had lying around for 10 years. It's something that I completely made up on the fly during my free hours during my last job, but it's in the realm of subject matter that I've always wanted to work with. I love thrillers, I love horrors, I love psychological dramas, especially doing it for an older audience. I can really sink my teeth into some nasty stuff.
The cameraman's behind us. You said psychological thriller, horror genre. Is that something you've always enjoyed?
Yes. Ever since I was 4 and I watched Alien.
You shouldn't be watching Alien when you're 4, Dana.
Oh well, talk to my mom.
Fair, valid. What is a Knight of Guinevere?
It's a metaphor.
For?
Oh, come on, man.
A lot of emotion influences your art and a lot of your past experiences. Would you say that's like a running theme throughout Knights of Guinevere?
Yeah, I think it's a running theme throughout any artist's art. You start with a feeling, you try to grab onto that feeling, whether it comes from your head, your heart, your stomach, and you wrestle it out of you like a worm that's buried itself into your skin.
What can you tell us about Gwen? That was very well timed.
That's about as much as I can say. She's
a princess?
She's a princess for Park Planet. She's a fictional princess. It's pronounced Guinevere, not Guinevere or Guinevere or whatever. It's Guinevere. We're just simplifying it.
Luke, do you have any questions to ask Dana?
Dana, yeah, I'm a big fan.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that.
That's our question, Luke.
Oops.
The style, I think, is absolutely beautiful. The Knights of Guinevere team is absolutely incredible. You have some of the most talented people I've ever seen on that crew. What inspired the art of Knights of Guinevere?
I don't know, man. We just made what looks good.
I'm gonna hijack this interview. When we first started, I went to Dana. She had all these wonderful artists in mind right off the bat, and she just brought them all in. And she's like, Kevin, I want to grab all these people and just let us do some shit. And I'm like, okay. And then they did. And it is one of the most beautiful shows I've ever seen. Like, absolutely crazy. And I can't wait for you guys to actually see this show. Seriously. We're going under a tunnel now. What's it like working in a smaller indie animation studio?
It's fun. I don't have an S&P department telling me to round off all the edges of my show.
I don't even know what that is.
It's beautiful. I can actually make something for an older audience. I don't have to pretend to be like, this is actually like Family Guy, this is actually like blah, blah, blah. I can actually just make the show that I want to make with all my collaborators, and I get to do all that with the most amazing artists I've ever worked with.
I love that for you, seriously.
Yeah, it's fun. The rabbit.
Oh, a rabbit.
Did you get the rabbit? It's important to the story. I mean, listen, I love my other shows, but KOG is the first time I really feel like I'm doing something genuine and without being forced to hold back. And that's the end of the train ride.
And that is the end of the interview. Thank you very much, Dana.
Thank you.
about glitch shows, please visit the website at www.glitchproductions.store.com. All credit belongs to the creators of the Knights of the Guineal. Please support the original release. Thank you.